welcome back to another video from me. I don't know how this is gonna go because my little Bubba is right there. Is she gonna be quiet? I don't know. No volume. So Mrs. Rachel was on, hopefully she can save the day. But this is the only time I can film. I've got one of my daughter in her bedroom on her tablet having a laugh with herself, and then Mila's here, so I hope I can get this filmed. We have sent across their brand new blushes. These are called Hydromaniac Blush Glow Hydrators. So you guys know I love blush. I'm really excited to try them. Package, in this package they also sent a all-nighter setting spray, which is really good if you've not tried it. And they sent their viral Moondust eyeshadow in Space Cowboy. So these blushes are called the Hydromaniac Blush Glow Hydrators, and they are in the most beautiful colours ever. This one is called Obsessed, which is quite like a red colour. Then you've got Drippin', which is more pink, and then you've got this one, which is like Screaming Me. This one is called Wrecked. So you can see them. In the middle there is Obsessed, which is that red colour. And then on this side here we have got the colour Drippin', and then this one here is my favourite. This one is Wrecked. So I'm gonna try, personally I think I'm gonna go for this one. I just want to see what the formula's like. I feel like I'm very careful with blush now because of the Rare Beauty ones. They're so intense that it's like, oh, I don't know how much we're gonna get on here, but let's give it a go. Oh, I like it a lot. What's up, darling? I like that a lot. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna go with a different colour on this side just so we can see the difference. I know I'm gonna look crazy when I open the door to postman and stuff, but oh well. Okay, so I honestly thought this one would be too intense for me, but they are both really nice. I'm not gonna lie. They are quite pigmented, so I would definitely recommend trying them gradually, but I think they look amazing. What do you guys think? I also curled my hair because I'm trying to get a lot of filming done. As you guys know, I have 2 kids, I run a website, I have my TikTok, I have my YouTube. So yeah, I did have to, for once, come up here with my girls and try and make it work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm definitely going to be using these, and I cannot wait to try more from Urban Decay. They were so kind to send me this parcel, and honestly it meant the world to me, and I just can't wait to try some more from them. So let me know what you guys want to see from me next. I am on the lookout for new collections that are releasing, and I definitely want to get my hands on them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. My makeup video that I posted before, like I've obviously moved from like a bit of vlogging to makeup. I asked you guys like how you would feel. She's always got to get in the shot. Honestly, overwhelmed with the views on that video compared to my vlogs. The makeup videos are doing a lot better, and it is because things are more recent and things are interesting. My vlogs aren't interesting, you guys. I've got 2 kids, I'm a mum, I don't have much going on in the day. I literally am a full-time content creator. I'm constantly creating content, answering the door to parcels, looking after my kids. There's nothing exciting. So I am going to upload weekly vlogs because I do enjoy doing that. It's very therapeutic for me. But I do want to crack on with my makeup videos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. I will link these products down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.